So hello teacher, today I will present our project inside the bilingual mind, a fictional learner journey. The goal is to show how different regions or areas of the brain are involved in second language learning.
Okay, now the character introduction. I will present our character is Maria Lopez, 19 years old from Colombia, and she is an university student. Her first language or mother language is Spanish, and her new language will be English. She is motivated to learn because she wants to study international business abroad. Her learning environment includes university class and mobile apps for self study.
The learning vocabulary in second language. Maria learns new words by linking them with image and repeating them. Here, the awareness area is activated, which helps with compression or understanding, language and semantic memory, where meanings are stored. For example, she learns the word environment by connecting it with recycled symbols. Her support technique is flashcards with pictures and space repetition apps.
Okay, now the writing in the second language. When Maria writes, she uses journals or short essays. The following brains parts are involved is the angular gyrus, which connects reading and writing, the visual cortex, which processes what she sees, um, working memory which organize her ideas. For example, she writes, "Today I studied English vocabulary about food." Her main support or help comes from templates and teachers' feedback.
So, speaking in second language, oral expression or verbal communication is the hardest skill for Maria. The following are activate Broca's area, which produce syntax. The motor cortex, which controls lips and tongue, and the phonological lobe, which holds sounds in short-term memory. For example, in a debate, she said, I like play soccer. I mean playing soccer. Her strategy is role play activities and recording her voice.
Okay, now I will talk about the psycholinguistic challenge. Her main difficulties or problems are pronunciating, forgetting words, and Spanish grammar interference. The solution or the alternatives includes oral practice, teacher corrections, and using song or movies. On the emotional side or motivation aspect, she feels anxious during oral exams but gains confidence when she notices progress.
So the visual summary on brain process. Um, this diagram shows how different regions of the brain are connected to each skill. So the Wernicke's area for vocabulary, angular gyrus and visual cortex for writing, Broca's area and motor cortex for speaking. The idea is to give a simple visual summary of the learning process.
Okay, now our conclusion. Mm. From our character, we learn that second language learning involves both cognitive process and biological one. This explains why speaking is harder since it requires multiple areas at the same time. In conclusion, language teaching should address both the mental and the emotional side of learning. I leave an open question for discussion. Or question is, did you think bilinguals can turn off one language, or are both always active?
So the final slide is the reference. So here you show the main sources, authors and theories used to support this project. So crashing, Bialystok, Level, Batelay, and Roshin. So thank you, teacher. Bye bye.